Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters on your Instagram live. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram, and then in here, if you wanna start live on Instagram, so you just click on the blue plus button in here, and after this you can click on the camera, click on it, and in here you can see for option because this is for live, so I choose live. You can swipe to live like this. And if you wanna add filter for live, you can, in here you can see many filters that you want to use. I want to try to use this one. Okay, you can see the color has been changed, or you can choose this one, and this one. And after this you can click this icon. Okay, checking connection. Okay, that's how to add filters on your Instagram live. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.